As you can see, it's turned on. It's plugged into the back as well as in an outlet. I tried several outlets and it didn't work, and it's still giving me this really dim light. I don't know why. Even if you bring up the brightness, lower it, it's really dim. Everything else still works on the light itself, just doesn't work. I don't know. It just started short circuiting and just stopped working. All in all, just it's pretty tough. Yeah, that one basically just randomly stopped working. I'm pretty sure it's because of how many times I've used it, how many times I unplugged it, moved it, how many times it got short-circuited, basically. I don't know. But we got a new one sent from the company because we have good connection with them. So thank you for sending out a replacement. It means a lot to me, so I'm able to do more videos without spending a ton of money on lighting equipment, because I was going to spend over $60+ or to $100 just on lighting, but thankfully they were able to send me one. So let's go ahead and open this. There we go. Go and open this. So we're basically having to light up our videos with a makeup mirror, basically. So that's pretty tough. But this is by Cozoo. I really don't know how to pronounce it, even though this is like my 5th or 6th product from them. You have a lifetime warranty, and then you can extend limited time warranty. No, wait, extend the warranty period can be extended for 2 years to lifetime. I don't really know what that means, but yeah, basically that's what that is. And then we have cable. That's everything you get in the box. We can go ahead and move that, untie this because we don't need this, we just need the cable. I could get a mechanic to probably look at the light, but I'm pretty sure it's unfixable because it's a short circuit, and usually it would just be more expensive to repair something that the whole thing broke from. So yeah, alright, so here's the product. Well, it basically looks the exact same because it is the exact same. I was gonna get the black, but they didn't have any blacks in stock, so I had to go with the white again. But it's a nice clean look. You have rubber feet so it doesn't slide, and it does do a great job at that. I don't have to worry about it sliding. It has touch sensitive buttons right there. You have the brightness adjustment levels, the modes. You can do warm, cool, and normal. And then you have a 60-minute timer. You have an LED indicator light, 3 USB ports. These are 3.0 ports. And then you have 2 AC outlets. This is this is the US version, so it might vary depending on where you are. Pretty sure this is the only US product. So yeah, but anyways, you have, I believe, like 40 LEDs in there. This whole strip has LEDs. It looks the exact same to the normal one because it's the same thing. So nothing has been updated, which is good because it was a nice light anyways. But you have basically, this is adjustable, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and show you the light. Let's go ahead and show you right now. Alright, so I was basically lighting up my video with this light. It's not very bright, so we're gonna go ahead and use this, my main light. I really love this light a lot. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Boom, now we got better lighting. So this is the cool, warm, and then this is normal, and then you can turn up the brightness, and it's really bright. So I just stick it up in the back of my studio, move it, and we got our normal lighting back to normal. It is adjustable, so you can like go ahead and move it however you want. It's really cool. So if I have a bigger product, I can move it up or whatever. If I do get the other light fixed, I'll use both of them, so an even coating of light. And these are soft box lighting. The filter has basically soft box, which is really cool. It helps with the shadows and the depth of the light on a product, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and grab just a random thing. This is just the lighting. It makes it a lot better, able to focus on products. I wear white gloves and I have a white table because it just makes the lighting even more better. And yeah, just overall looks really good and helps the camera focus better as well. So that's really cool. I was using this to charge up the lamp or the other thing that I was using in the video, and that's not good because I have that power bank. I really want it to last a while and I don't want to use it on just that. But this product is overall really good. This time when I'm pretty sure it's because I was using these ports like a lot. Like basically I was using 2 ports at once and then one of these, I don't know, and then I had the light on for a very long time. Probably made a mistake from one of that, but this time on this light I'm going to be very, very, very careful. Whenever I have a product to plug into something, I'm going to use a different outlet, and I'm going to try to use a surge protector on this device. Even though this has a surge protector, this thing right here is a surge protector, I'm still going to just be very cautious about it because I don't want to break it again. Or want it to break, you know. So yeah, thank you again for sending the light out. It was really helpful. I'm able to make more videos again. If you have any video suggestions or anything, tell me in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.